Just heading to the Ag Center for the Highland Sports Car Club Autocross. Just ran Sunday in Tennessee with Richard. Richard and I are headed to the Ag Center across from Asheville Airport and doing the Highland Sports Car Club Autocross. I'm in the Tesla Model 3 Performance I ran on Sunday with the same tires, same everything. So it should be a good one. We're headed over to the Ag Center now, following Richard today. On Interstate 26 now, headed west. Here we are again. This time we're at the Ag Center in Asheville, North Carolina, across from the airport. Richard and I are staged up first. We'll be heading out as soon as they start running cars. There's the finish line, and you got to go all the way down the field, come back, come up here, do an X. And nothing's changed since I ran the Mach-E, so it's same track. It'll be interesting to see how the Model 3 does. I think it should do pretty well. We're gonna find out. And the novice walk. They walk the track, check it out as they go along. Art's giving them the 1-2 things to do and not do. Tonight we've got a pretty good turnout here, all kinds of cars. Weather is iffy. It's not going to really rain a lot. If it rains, maybe kind of spit on the window or something, but shouldn't be too bad. We're going to run go-karts first and then cars.
Finish line, you always must go through the finish line. Again, or you'll mess up timing for everyone and we'll get delay. Workers, when you're on course, you're the eyes and ears of the event. You must be prepared to run and get a cone at all times.
Truck and Brats 39.500 in the 2019 Honda Civic.
Here is the electric contingent. We've got Richard's car here. It's a Performance Model 3. We're getting ready to stage. We've got Robbie's car. It is a 2015, I think, Model S Performance P85. And then my Performance Model 3. So we've got 3 Teslas tonight, all running in the autocross. So it should be fun. We park the car generally in the back, and the staging area, which are the run group, are up here, and they park their cars right up here. And we are going to go ahead and park up there because we're up next here. I am parked at the end of this row, and the other cars in our run group will be lined up right here. And then we're all called in sequence to run. They're also parked across the way there. This is our competitor, Sean, in his McLaren. Richard's car, and we're about ready to hit it. All right, forgot to set up the, 37,687 first run. Boy, these tires are awesome. Let's get parked here. This is the end of the first run. I did not start the lap timer, and so therefore I didn't get any video. However, looks like 1.4 Gs, 1.5, 0.9, and 1. Man, what a course. 37 and change. All right, this is my second run. The second run was aborted with a red flag, so they gave me a rerun. 37.6 something, I don't know. Anyway, it's another good run. I got to get a little smoother, I think. So we get parked here and let it do its thing. This is the end of run 2, and another 1.5, 141, and 0.9 on the G scale. It's a good run. Wish I a little bit faster, but I'm plugging away. All right, 37,387. I had a good time. I think I might have beaten Richard that time. This is run 3. All right, 1.4 on the left, 1.5 it looks like, maybe, yeah, 1.5 on the right, 1.1 and 1. So I've got in the acceleration and deceleration a little faster. So it's pretty good. On to run 4. Okay, run 4 or 5. Hell, I forgot. It's 37,383. Reaffirming the last run I did. Got 1 or 2 more. I gotta check the computer. All right, there you go. You can see halfway around there is where that 180 is. You almost come to a complete stop with 1.3 Gs of stopping. Anyway, there you go. It's pretty fast, but I think I can do even better. Well, I'm in the 6th run here. I just made under 36 or 36 something, and I've got Ryan here. She's given me good luck, so it's been good. We'll take a look at it here in a minute once we get parked. But that was a really great run, and I think I got Richard. So he's not going to be real happy, but that's okay. It'll be just fine. All right, this is the last run, right? Yeah, 6th run. I think I was run 6. 1.4, 1.4, and 1.1 and 1.0. Geez, but it felt right. So Ryan gave me good luck here. Boy, we had a blast tonight. Tonight there were 67 drivers. Everybody showed up, and as you can see from some of the video I have here, it was really a lot of fun. Everything from heavy-duty fossil fuel cars to production fossil fuel cars, And of course, we drove the Teslas. We had 3 Teslas. We had Robbie in his Model S, Richard and I in our Performance Model 3s. I was able to score second car from the top tonight. It was very cool. It was my fastest time ever, just under 36 seconds. And I beat everybody except for a highly modified Mazda Miata that doesn't look like a Mazda Miata. It's a tubular frame. But we had a blast. Got some riders in the car. Everybody had a good time. One of the other things that I always tell everybody is the Performance Model 3 is not a race car. It is a 4-door family car. It is one of the 4 safest cars tested in the planet that you can drive to work, go to get groceries, drag the kids around, and then take it racing at night. There's not a lot of other vehicles out there to do that. And then when you get home, you plug it in, it charges up just like your cell phone, you get in it, and you go to work the next morning. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to not miss anything moving forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, and of course this is a Performance Model 3, you might want one of those. The referral link shown at the bottom of the screen will get you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you again and take care.